We have Jesus having fun with the Sprite Cat. And apparently he uses it to like curl his hair. It seems to be rather fake. The curl seems to be a little too smooth. I'm not very confident in this one, honestly. So I'm supposed to put the little string in it. Now we put the heat. And your hair.
It's curl, no?
To untangle it. No, but it's fucked up because touch the can, it's so hot.
Yes.
Let me try again. We have some sort of a result over there. It gave a little curl. I'm just imagining what it would be to do your whole head. I was burning myself holding the can. No, it's not a good hack, but it kind of worked. I thought it wouldn't work at all. Okay, she's using some sort of a foundation product to do her lip. Seems to be a good hack. We're gonna try. I think you have to have the right shade. I have faith in this one. We are going to make you the biggest lips you've ever had.
Oh, my dream.
The juiciest lips, like using a little trick. Erasing your cupid's bow, making it round. We're gonna push your lip like that. I'm gonna do the little circle on top.
Okay.
Oh, maybe a little too much.
It's nice?
It's not yet.
Oh, okay.
If those aren't punchy, I don't know what they are. Beautiful hack! We are in love.
I like it.
We have a gentleman that puts lemon on an ice cube and oh, this has to be fake. Why would it like make smoke? If it works, I'm gonna be so scared. Let's check this out with our little model. Do you guess what is gonna happen?
A citronade, maybe?
I will take a little ice cube, lemon on the ice cube. And if I put it in your mouth, it should make smoke. And right away in your mouth, on your tongue. There is no smoke, right? There is no smoke. Is it tasty?
Tasty.
It's a fake hack. You've been going there over there. You f***ing mother. It's been going on for years. We have a beautiful lady that is having fun with a cheese grater. Oh, that's a badass hack. That's what I'm looking for. You would have to make sure to not damage your hair. No, I love it. Marie Antoinette on a go. Badass hack. I'm really excited about this one. Let's check it out. We are going to make you a beautiful hairstyle with this shit. There you go. I will take your hair, roughly. Don't hurt your fingers with the hat. I'm not sure it's gonna be a good hack. Huh? We need hairs on the front. There you go. It's very dangerous, huh? Actually.
Oh.
I put a little flower in it. Look, it took us, what, 15 seconds. Oh, and you can hide the mistakes with the little flowers. And bam.
That's
Look
perfect.
at that. A Marie Antoinette look. We are not sissies, we are Marie Antoinettes. Bye. I have a head to lose. Bye-bye. Great hack! Ah! I've seen that going on and people are like putting foundation in water. Perhaps it separates the oils from the foundations and makes your foundation waterproof. We're gonna give this a try, give you the final answer. This little foundation, we're gonna put it on this side, casual. Then on the other side, we're gonna put it first in the water and perhaps we can make this waterproof. It's a little light, but we're gonna use it as salsa de lemon. There you go. Now we are going to put it in the water. I'm gonna put a lot. It's beautiful. Oh yes. And now
I like the texture. It's so smooth.
actually it looks a little bit more coverage, but maybe I put a little bit more product than I did on the other one. But it looks beautiful for sure. Let's check out this side. Little transfer over there. Other side. I think there's even more transfer. It means it's not waterproof. Bad hack! She's putting some gel. Okay, she's using a feather to give herself a little rooted look on the hair. Actually, she already has roots, darker roots. But I feel like I want to try it in a more crazy way. Let's check it out right now. we have a little duty to do with a feather and with your hair. It's crazy, you have already a part in your hair.
What do you think?
So I'm gonna put a little gel. Gently, oh, it smells good, huh? Drip, 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 pisha. Now we put the little feather and we are going to brush the little feather. Can it work?
Show me with the mirror.
Show me what you're working with.
Yes, difficult to stick it. But we can imagine.
Yes, and I thank you for that. It's a great hack, and I'm great at it. And Katia is great wearing it. Thank you guys! This was La Grande Dame, this was Beauty React. We had a blast. I hope to see you back very soon. Until then, stay safe. I'll be right here, waiting for you.
Ça va tomber, ça va tomber.